Alright, let's grab this piece, go to your left view, hit Z. We need to just put something in here to attach this quick, so I'm going to right click here, I'm going to go over here, right click, collapse to, so we got editable mesh, and then let's make it an editable poly. Okay, and let's go ahead and grab a small cylinder, something like that, something that looks like it could bend on it. Now let me grab this and go to my vertex mode, and let's just grab these and put them in here, kind of like this. Okay, now let's do the same thing with this. And then this piece actually goes like this. So let me grab a box and just grab something like that, drag some depth out, and then let's actually delete that, go to create, make a line, and just go like this. Right here to right here, right click. Now turn all these way down, just right click that spinner and bring it up. Alright, and let's go ahead and do rectangular. I'm going to drag the width down a bit. I'm gonna hit 1 to edit the position of these. Okay, now let me hit quick align. I'm gonna align it to that piece. I'll drag it up here. Okay, now it kind of looks like it does that. This piece also needs to get quick align to you, and let's just put it right there. Double check it quick. Actually wanted it right there. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the front view. So that looks like it's center. So these things, and center you. This thing's just a spline, so it's going to be kind of hard to grab. There we go. So let's go ahead and take down the length, make it smaller, and let's right click and convert that to an edit poly as well. This one, let's grab these verts, bring them up. Okay, let's get out of here, control click that, do an alt Q. So now we just have these two pieces to work on. And let's right click, convert to edit poly. Oh, that's both of them. Alright, now I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click over here and go to collapse to. There, now we got an edit poly. Jeez. Do swift loop right about here. Let me grab this and this. Let me do a bevel. And then just learn how to use this tool because it's really useful. So I'm just going to go like this quick. See if I can scale these out. No, you got to do a control click on vert, and then you can move it out. Let's do another couple swift loops in here. You know what I do? It just Google it and swift loop. It's in your graphite modeling tools, which is the little folder right here. Oops, you know what I should drag that. Let's just do regular extrude. Okay, now let's I want to grab these, drag them down, and let's delete these two pieces. Hit delete, hit 3, do a control A and a bridge. Okay, something like that. I also would like to bring these two edges, do a control click here, scale tool, and let's move them up with W. Okay, and I'm going to grab all these and all these and drag those in farther. And let's go ahead and attach. Let me like to make this wheel black right now. If that's possible. 3ds Max, thank you. Make that piece black too. Let's exit isolation mode, hit Z. All these pieces are actually black too. So let's go ahead and change their color to black. Okay, that's about it for black stuff. This one actually has some black on it, so what we'll do is a quick change for that. I'm actually going to pick out a color here that's kind of a white. So let's click here and let's change this color to something like that. That's going to be what we can do. Easy way. Oops. Right here. Add custom color. Oh, there we go. There it is. Oh, it's not that good. So anyway, let's just go back to black. Grab something like that. That looks haze gray enough-ish, I think. Okay. And do the same thing. Let's actually grab all of these things. Make them gray. You're gonna be that color too, buddy. And this piece here, let's make you gray as well. And let's grab this and let's dump this turbo smooth because we don't really need it. And let me add a smooth, auto smooth, collapse 2. Alright. This one, let's go ahead and, before we start destroying this file, kind of, if you will, or getting it ready, let's go ahead and save it just in case you have to go back. So go ahead and save it and let's add one. I don't know, I did do that automatically. So let's go ahead and convert this to over here. We'll do it. Collapse 2. Collapse 2. Alright, now we got an edit poly on both of those. Collapse 2 edit poly. Let's get this guy in place. He looks like he's in place. That one's good. Now let's go ahead and take this. Collapse it 2, if that's possible. Alright. Now let me go ahead and effect pivot only, adjust it to that thing. Okay, so now effect pivot only. Let me just move it. Oops. Just move it to the center. Oh, there's no way to align it to a different object, but center to object there. I don't think that did it. I could reset us again. So let's effect pivot only, align to object there. No, it's not doing it. So effect pivot only, just drag it over. Something that looks like it's in the middle, I keep right clicking by accident. Alright, so let's go ahead and rotate this guy around. As 2 instances. Something like that. Alright. Let's grab this piece. TZ. Looks like our pivot is in the front middle, but we gotta fix this quick. So hit S to drag that for snaps. And let's put a symmetry on there. Let's try flipping it. Alright, that looks cool now. Let's go right click. And then go to your view panel over here and drag it to the freeze. Let's do an unfreeze all. Okay, now we got these pieces available again. So I'll grab those 3 pieces and hit H and see if we can create a new layer here. Add selection to new layer, which clearly it didn't do that. So just hide them. Alright, let's go to the front viewport. Got to create a couple rockets here real quick, so let's just go with some standard cylinder work here. So new cylinder, 30 sides. Let's actually align it to this piece so it's kind of centered and stuff. Okay, we can do one big bomb like this, just whatever. So W. Let's convert this to an edit poly. And let's do a bevel here. Okay. What I'm doing is Googling fat bomb right now. See if anyone shows up. Nope. Try big bomb. Okay, so it looks like they're really screwed up the front here. So let's go ahead and just do a Control Z. The front of these is actually flatter usually. So let's just go do a little. Okay. And the back is actually what usually does the they'll have a little torpedo on it and have some stealth attributes or aerodynamic. That one got ugly. Okay. Hit 4. Grab this guy. Let's make it black. Okay, I'm going to stop and keep recording after this.